Identifying threats is only half the battle. The real value comes from how you respond. In this video, we'll walk through the key tools and techniques that help you mitigate threats, reduce risk, and protect your strategy from being derailed. First up is the risk matrix. This is a classic tool for evaluating threats based on two dimensions: likelihood and impact. Plot each threat on a 2x2 or 3x3 grid to see which ones are low priority and which demand urgent action. This simple visual map helps you focus your energy on what matters most. Next is scenario planning. This involves asking what-if questions and building plans for multiple possible futures. What if a key supplier fails? What if regulation changes overnight? What if a competitor launches a copycat product? This kind of thinking prepares you to respond instead of react. Use frameworks like best case, worst case, and most likely case to create a flexible response plan. Another tool is the SWOT analysis, which we touched on earlier. It helps you scan for threats across political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal categories. It ensures you're not just focusing on financial or competitive threats, but also broader environmental shifts. Don't overlook contingency planning. For each major threat you identify, ask, if this happens, what's our backup plan? Who's responsible? What steps do we take? Having a pre-built response, even just a rough outline, can save time, resources, and reputation in a crisis. SWOT pairing is another powerful method. Match your strengths to your threats and ask, can we use what we do well to neutralize this threat? For example, a strong brand can help you weather a competitor's pricing war. Great talent can help you adapt faster to tech disruption. This turns mitigation into a strategic advantage. Crisis communication plans are also key, especially for threats tied to public perception, customer trust, or stakeholder relations. Knowing how and when to communicate during uncertainty can prevent a small issue from becoming a reputational disaster. Leverage early warning systems. Use dashboards, analytics, or alerts to monitor key threat indicators. Whether it's customer churn, market share shifts, or policy changes, you want to spot the storm before it hits. Set thresholds that trigger review or action. Internally, build a resilience culture. Encourage proactive problem-solving, honest dialogue, and decentralized decision-making. Teams that are empowered and prepared are less likely to freeze in the face of disruption. They adapt, respond, and recover faster. Finally, conduct regular threat audits. Revisit your SWOT analysis quarterly or after any major shift in the market. Threats evolve, new ones appear, old ones fade. Staying proactive means staying relevant. In your SWOT strategy, mitigation isn't just about playing defense. It's about staying agile, aware, and ready. With the right tools in place, you don't just survive threats. You build the confidence and capacity to grow through them.